Today I'd like to share a review of a knife from SCALLYWAG Technical. It's for Jolly Roger. They were kind enough to send this out for review, and now we're going to look at the details. This is a flipper knife. It's 4 3/4 inches long when closed. It's also got a liner lock, heavy duty clip, and honestly it was quite sharp coming out of the box. I was impressed with that. It's a 420 steel. That's not exactly what they have listed on their website, but I'm sure they've just changed it recently. This is a veteran-owned company, although it's not quite as hard as the 420 steel or some of the other ones. For the price of this knife, it's very reasonable and easier to sharpen by being a little bit softer. For the everyday task for many people, this is more than sufficient of what they need. They got a lifetime warranty on it as long as you're using it for the intended purpose. Don't use it as a chisel or screwdriver that's not designed for it. And we'll just work this down in here. We'll see what that does with this flipper action. Yeah. It jumps out now. You'd be happy with one of these knives. They have a wide selection of products, and I recommend you look at their website. Like and subscribe, share this with all your friends. Don't forget there's a Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. All the details on these knives and this company will be in the description box. Thank you.